What's going on, guys? My name is Michael Anthony, and I want to help you take your photos from this to this. Introducing the Lightroom Masterclass. With over 20 hours of original content, we can teach you how to take your images from ordinary to extraordinary. This program contains information on not only how to manipulate your images, but more importantly, the theory why behind you want to make those changes so that you can become a better photo editor no matter what photos or style that you're trying to edit in. We are not selling a one-click solution to better photos. We are going to teach you advanced theory on color toning, how to change skies in images, remove complex background distractions, how to create dark and moody edits or bright and airy ones. And on top of all of that, we are going to teach you how to sell your images to your clients so that you can make more money in photography. This program also includes our Elevate preset system, which includes 10 different looks, 75 different modifier presets, and 22 different retouching brushes so that you can take your good images and turn them into great. On top of all that, we are also throwing in our full texture pack for you to add finishing touches to your images. In addition, you're also going to get full access to our Facebook community so that you can get feedback on not only your edits, but also the business questions that you have on top of that. It's my goal to help you become the best editor that you can be so that you can make your work stand out among the crowd and that you can make more money in photography. I'm currently offering a free course to give you a preview of what the course content includes. In this free training, I reveal my top 7 steps to creating cinematic photo edits. So click below to watch the training and join over 2,000 photographers in taking the first step to becoming a better photo editor today. I'll see you in the course.